I've got a bunch of new information for 2 weeks. There's 56 properties for sale in the Tiffin County area, 14 new listings in the last 2 weeks. Amazing. How many of those are still available? We'll get right to that in just a second. We're also going to look back 6 months. We're going to look back at the listing inventory, sold property in most of Northwest Ohio, comparative to what Tiffin County area looks like. Let's get into the local 2-week numbers here quick, and then we'll touch on the 6-month numbers and comparative. So 56 transactions have happened in the last 2 weeks. Of that, 14 brand new listings. You think there's 14 more homes for sale right now? You would think, but as you know, the market goes quick here currently. So there's 14 active, a total of 51 properties. So only 14 are active. Of that, we've had several come back on the market, 5 come back on the market, 2 price decreases, total of 18 contingent and pending, 12 sold. So 51 properties, we had 14 brand new listings, but unfortunately it leaves us with only 14 active listings that are, somebody can go buy. Real quick, we are live. If you have any questions, comments, anything like, be sure to pop that into the chat and we'll talk about that. So what can you get? So if I'm 100,000 or less, there's 2 properties. 100 to 200,000, there's 4. That's our biggest category, which is sad, I know. There's only 4 in that whole price point. 200 to 300, there's 3 properties. 300 to 400,000, there's a whopping 2, and 400,000 plus 3 properties. That's looking back. That's what's currently active, and that's the data currently from June 28th through July 12th. What do the numbers look like if we're going to go for, let's see, 6 months? So I'm going to show you the data here from our Norris MLS. You should be able to see most of the screen anyways. So if we're looking at this data here, what is the average sale price, median sales price, days on market, and months of inventory? I'll save that one for last. That one kind of shocked me. So sales price, here you'll see on the right side of the screen, I don't know if you can see it, where the red of the entire MLS, this is the Northwest Ohio MLS. Average price point for the entire MLS, 183,000. We're at a whopping 167,000 and some change, up significantly from where we were 6 months ago, a year ago. We can go back month by month and kind of see where they're at, but let's see, go back about a year from here, we were at 142, so we're up 12.2%. Going back a little further, it's down significantly more from that. We're usually hovering that 130-ish range, 140 price point. Median price, again, pretty close to that, $140,000. Days on market, again, our average 58 days on market, comparative to the entire MLS is 63 days on market. Median, again, is a little less, but that's just a middle number. Showings until pending. So the median number right in the middle is 8, but on average, how many showings, how many people through the door, groups through the door does it take until you're considered pending? On average, that's 10. So some it's 1, some it's 20, but the average is 10. Price per square foot, again, median and both average, we're looking at about $100, $94 a square foot, Tiffin County area over the last 6 months. Entire MLS, we're looking at about $101. So if we go to month supply, days of inventory, so for the entire MLS and us also then is 1.9 months. What does that mean? So that means we have a 1.9 months, just about 2 months of inventory. So if no new listings came on the market, we would have absolutely 0 homes, no homes to show anybody, no homes to sell or write contracts on. So if no new homes come up, that's what that means. So comparative to, let's go back just a couple months, beginning of the year, we're at 2.6, more than 2.5. Going back a little further into October, we're at 3.2, and it goes pretty much up from there. So we're about 4 months of inventory, a year and a half ago. Comparative now, we're down to half of that. So again, down almost 40%, right on track with what the entire MLS looks like. So we get this question all the time. When's the best time to sell? Spring, summer months are always fantastic, but honestly, the last couple of years, there really hasn't been a bad time to sell, especially now with limited inventory, with the 56 homes with the 51 homes for sale in the Tiffin County area, and only 14 of them don't have offers on them, and many of those are brand new listings. They're going to go quick. So let us know if we can help. Check out our website, 409homesearch.com. Shows you all the current listings. You can pull your own market data and pull your own market reports. So that is your Monday market update.